Sawadika. Hello everyone. I'm absolutely delighted to be here sharing with you some of my experiences as far as problem solving is concerned. In working in the hotel industry, no matter which function you are within the hotel, we all come across different problems every day. Some problems have been there for a long time that need to be looked at. Some problems just happen and we have to think on our feet and get it sorted as quickly as we possibly can. However, in general, in solving the problems, we do need to look at and dig a little bit deeper in order to solve the cause of the problem, the real cause of the problem, versus solving the symptom or dealing with the symptom of the problems. Some of my experiences including, for example, we had several guests complain with regards to toilet block, and we thought each and every time we said, well, that was the guest putting too much tissue on it, and perhaps the flow of the water was not strong enough. And every time we dealt with that, almost like putting the fire out every time that happened, every time that complaint occurred, which is very unpleasant for the guest. Then somehow after wasted so long time on it, we suddenly think, well, we need to look a little bit deeper. And so we did, and sure enough, we found the real root cause of the problems. Because several years prior to that, there was a renovation in the bathroom. They took the toilet bowl out, renovated the floor, but when they put it back in, it didn't actually put it back in the right position of it. So that's obstructing some of the flow for the toilet bowl. And that was why that problems keep reoccurring in several areas of the hotel. One other example, we had the broken edges for our towels, and the towel costs a lot of money, and we suddenly have huge discard linen towels in our organization. And we thought, well, the company who supplied the towels have to be responsible for the poor quality. But in fact, when we dig deeper, we found that the washing circle was in fact the cause of why we had that torn edges. Apparently it didn't rinse all the detergent out properly, so it keep accumulating around the edges of the towels, and eventually it deteriorated the strength of the cotton, and it broke, and it happened in the same time, so there was huge discard. So those are just an example of thinking what we immediately quick to react and think, wow, that was the problem, this is what we have to do to fix it. But in fact, the first assumption may not be the right solution for the real cause of the problem. So I encourage you to look a bit deeper and try to see what else can we do in order to solve the problem more effectively. Okay, so enjoy learning. It's the skills we all need to have. And nice to be here sharing my experience with you. Good luck.